Well, tonight's video is getting together all the scrap, you know, like you see there and right there. And I got this old computer from like 1990, I guess, 1 or so. So look at all those screws I pulled out of this thing. I pulled out a lot of screws. So now I can take the thing apart, and then this cover came off, and I got looking in there, and I was like, ah! Look at the disgusting brown dust, and brown dust is smoke, nicotine. It's just disgusting. Oh my God! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! That's nicotine infested dust. If I was to put that in my mouth, I'd probably get a nicotine rush. Now we go into the rest of this thing, and we go. Man, look at that! Oh my God! Is that? Oh, there it is. There's a lock off. Must be over here too. Wow. That is some ancient RAM. That is some ancient RAM. I think this computer cost me... Oh, wow. Look at that double. Look at that double. I think this computer originally cost me about $2,500, and it was filled to the max with RAM, and I don't even know what kind of RAM that is. I'm sure it cost me a pretty penny back in the day, but look at that, both sides are populated, and I can't read that. Void if removed is all that thing says. So yeah, look at all that memory. And then let's see. What the hell? This was this. Holy balls! Look at that. Sound blaster. Computers had to have an entire big ass freaking amazing board in there. That thing is huge, and I'm sure that cost me a fucking pretty penny. And this thing, let's see. Oh, that looks like. Psh, let me see. That is nothing but. That is a phone jack. That's a phone jack. And that was a sound card. And above that, those things right there that plugged in back here, COM 2 and COM 1. Yeah, amazing, huh? And then here's nothing left but the motherboard. Oh, these thick, fat cables, archaic. They restricted airflow, and you know, a modern computer, they got round cables because airflow, not as much space, not as much air blockage. Wow, that was quite the motherboard in its time, I bet. So now, oh, there it goes. I was going to say, now all I got to do is take the motherboard out, but it just fell out. And now I got a bunch of recyclable stuff. You know, take the rest of this apart and, you know, take that thing apart.